The desert. Useful sentences.
The desert is extremely dry. Water is very scarce here. Cacti can survive for months without rain. Camels are well adapted to desert life. Temperatures rise quickly during the day. The nights become surprisingly cold. Many animals are active after sunset. The landscape looks endless. The sky is perfectly clear. Solar energy is becoming more important in desert regions. Desertification affects millions of people. Nature always finds a way to survive. Have you ever visited a desert? What do you think would be the hardest part of living in a desert? Which desert animal do you find the most interesting? Why do cacti have spines instead of leaves? How do camels survive in such dry environments? Why are deserts good places for solar energy? What can people do to prevent desertification? Would you like to spend one night in the Sahara Desert? Why or why not?